Hello guys, how are you doing? And today I want to do you guys a house tour. This is just a studio or bedsitter house tour, and I'm going to show you guys what I got inside here, which is so pretty. I love it, though I've not finished it, but you guys will give me ideas on what to put on the walls, how to do this and that. Even though I'm moving out very soon, I'd really love to like furnish it to the fullest and then move. Yeah, so can we do that, guys? We'll begin with the door. This is the door, and then the door is tied to the kitchen. As you can see the curtains. So this is my door right here. Yeah, so we have the kitchen curtains that I bought in town, and yeah, so that is my curtains. They're really pretty. I love it. After the door we have this is like a storage that I got from extra things, though I really need more stuff right here. This is where I store most of the kitchen things. Then here I usually put my fruits. I just came in from home. I haven't bought a thing yet. Like most of the time I even starve myself when I'm alone, so it's crazy because cooking on my own is kind of hard. Then this one is the kitchen. This one is the rack again. So this is the rack where I store utensils. Then up here we have the cabinet. Oops. This cabinet is where I put more of the utensils again. Okay. Then there I put my food. Most of my food imeshika dust. Can you guys see that? Let me zoom it. Can you see that? I feel so heartbroken. Unga zangu zimeharibika because I went home. So anyway, let's continue. Then up here, in here I have a few stuff. I really emptied everything because we were going back to Shago for the holidays and stuff. So yeah, we emptied everything that could spoil. Then here I have the kitchen towels. Really pretty. You guys know where these are from. Okay. Then here we have our dispenser. Then we have my very small fridge that fits us. That's enough for us. That is very enough. And then we have my beautiful mirror right here. Here is the mirror. Do you guys see how lovely it looks? Pretty. Next to the doorway right there, we've got this. So this is my shoe rack, and then I put my bags on top of the shoe rack. I find it so beautiful. I got this from my fundi in Rongai. Rongai is very far from where I live anyway, but I think I have family members there. That's why I love it. Then we have these two ottomans where I can put food when we eat. We usually eat on the floor still. So this is my carpet. This is where we eat and chill and do whatever. So I still haven't done this place yet, but because I'm going to move very soon, I think that's the reason why I haven't done it. But what do you guys suggest I put on this wall right here, especially on top of my bed? Can you guys see the top part of my bed? It's so empty. So I was thinking of doing something all over this place and just doing something right here, but I still love my side table, my side bed table, but I'm open to your suggestions, guys. This place is so messy for me. But again, have it in mind that I'm moving very soon. So if you have things you're selling, you can just recommend, and then I'll see what to put over there. Then we have my bed. I really love this bed, guys. I really love this bed. The people who made this bed are called, how do we call them? What furnitures? Jesus. They have a page on IG there. Yeah, so Dollar Furnitures made this bed for me. I went and ordered, and then they just had to make it for quite a while. And then this is how the bed looks like. I love it. I think I need to upgrade my mattress, but we will see what life brings to our table. Then we have this beautiful wall decor. I really love this. I really love this. Pray without ceasing. Have that in mind. Always pray without ceasing. And then we have this other side. We have another carpet. So simple. And then we have my 2 luggages where I put more or extra clothing. This is my mirror actually. How did I forget it right here? But anyway, this is the mirror. So this is a storage, extra storage, because this house is kind of little for me. And then that is my wardrobe. I'm not going to open the wardrobe. Hey. I have things in there. So yeah, that is the smallest wardrobe I've ever seen in my life. And then we have this tub, which is the washing machine tub. I use it to wash clothes. Guys, I said if I get money, this is the first thing I will buy, and I bought it. I'm so grateful to God. So I really find it so hard to wash clothes. Actually, even my family members know I don't like washing clothes. I really don't like. That's why I have the cheapest one. But when I get the money, I'm gonna get the big one. Ile ya sijui 100 and what thousand. I'm going to buy that washing machine. Trust you me. I love things that make my work easy. And then this one is the kitchen doorway. I have 2 small giants who usually live with me, which is my sister and my daughter. And then we have this is where we brush our teeth. Again, help me guys to put this up. Niliziekanga hapa juu. I did put them up here, and you can see it destroyed the wall. I could not even stick it, and then I threw away the stick, the thing that is always ukunyuma, because I didn't have any solution to that. So I think I might change this. Or you guys, if you have anything that I can put at the back of this place so that I can stick it on this wall right here, it will be good of you guys. Thank you so much for doing that in advance. Then we have, this is now me up here. So these lights, I bought them with these other lights. I didn't get them in this house. This is where I do my makeup, and I'm talking without a mic. Crazy. For laundry, because you see these two I got them from Mia Duck, guys. I'm so excited. I got to try them out a bit within the house. So let me show you guys the entire thing, right? Thank you so much guys for watching me rant, for watching me do my thing and show you guys where I live and how my house looks like. I hope you will be kind enough to tell me what I need to add inside this house, and then your suggestions here and there, vitu za urembo rembo to girlish stuff, where I can get them. I think that will be so helpful in this video. Please plug me so that this house can continue looking really pretty. So thank you so much for watching. If you love the video, please like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you do not miss whenever I upload my next upgrades of things that people will suggest to me. See you guys in my next one. Bye.